Welcome, creative, to my YouTube channel. I'm happy once again to be sharing an important update for you guys. And the update I have for you guys is, as a freelancer, you need to have an international account enabled to withdraw to your local currency. So if you are a freelancer, maybe you have been working on Upwork, people by hour, and other freelancing platform, and you have been finding it difficult to make withdrawal, then this video is definitely for you. And also, you can stick and watch this video to the end, because I'm going to show you how I made $20 through referral on these sites. So let's go as I show you how you can get started. So the name of the website is called Cleva. So on Cleva, you can easily have a USA bank account within minutes. So as soon as you create the bank account, you'll be given a USA bank account number, in which you can send it on the freelancing platform that you're working on in order to make money. Personally, I've used this website to make money as a freelancer. So I've been able to use it on the sites called Telos International. So I've used it to withdraw on this same website. So also, as you can see over here, you can get the app on Google Play Store. Also, you can get the app on iOS. So if you don't want to use the web version, it is available on Android phone and it is available on iPhone. So that is the update. So how do we get to create an account? So you come over here and click create account. So you can see it now, USD banking for you and your business. So you click your first name, your last name, your country of residence, email address, phone number. You input your password, which is 8 character. So you can see a referral code here. So I'm going to show you how you can make at least $5 and more on Cleva by referring your friends and family. So over here, you're just going to click a random box on how you heard about Cleva. So you just click on that. So under here, you just have to check this and this to show that you are agreeing to the terms and condition on Cleva. So one thing I love about Cleva is that the transfer on the website is very easy, and also they have a good rating. Their bank rating is very okay. So I don't know of other platform, but the bank rating on their site, that means, what I mean is, from naira to dollar is a very good rate. So let's get started as I show you my own personal account. So let me log in. So you can see this is my account. So we are on. You can see this introducing the Cleva tag to tag transfer. So this tag to tag is just simply telling you that if I have a Cleva account and my friend have a Cleva account and my family have a Cleva account, we can transfer USD from one Cleva to another Cleva, which is very interesting. So if you find this okay for you, can just create a tag. That means after when you have successfully create a Cleva account, so that is when you can now create a tag on this part here. So let's go back to the home. Let's close this. So let me show you my account. So as you can see, the minimum deposits you can receive is $1.5. This is very interesting. That means you can receive as low as $1 on this account. So that is very okay. So the maximum deposit is $5,000. So that means you can withdraw up to $5,000. So that's very good. So this is my account name, account number. You can see is a West Fargo USA account. This is my account number. This is a routing number, and is a business checking account. So you can see it is very easy. So one of the things you need to know about Cleva is that you need to have a bank bank verification ID card, which what I mean is that you need to have a valid ID card to verify your account on Cleva. Example is you need to have a national ID card, you need to have a voter's card, you need to have an international passport, or a driver's license. So if you have any of these documents, just one of it, you submit it during your application process in order for them to create your account. So you can see today's rating is exchange rate is 1590. So that means, let's say I want to withdraw. You come over here, you can see, let's type let's say $500. So you can see the amount you are going to withdraw is 795,000 naira in today's exchange. So it's very good to use Cleva to withdraw from your foreign account. So you can see also you can create a virtual card. So this is one of the important things you can learn on Cleva. You can have a Cleva virtual card. So you can now create a virtual card. Maybe you want to use it to buy goods online. So this is how you can do that. So I think then they say they have a new deal. So that's part of the important things. So one of the new deals you can see is they said they have S Market Hub. So it will be coming up on this. I think let's view. So this is the offer. The 20% off all purchase at S Marketers Hub. So inside the marketers room, it's your ultimate guide to career goods, offering countless practical insight from over 50 leading marketers. So if this opportunity is okay for you, you can redeem it and you can continue. So that's part of the deals they have. And also this Afri Splash, they say choose a Cleva as your referral partner and enter discount code. So you can view these two and check on the opportunity. Stand out in your job application with professional reviewed resume by Afri Splash. So that is that. So this is how you can create a Cleva account. So let me show you how much I was able to withdraw through my referral. So you can see over here I successfully withdraw $20 to my GTB bank account. So this is it. This is $20 and the rating was 1583, which is okay. So I was able to withdraw it into my local bank account, which was my referral fee that I made. So this is the bonus I made. So one of the things I need to tell you about it is that your friend needs to deposit 300 US dollars on his or her bank account in order for you to successfully withdraw your referral. And also the more you refer, the more you earn. So this is your referral link if you want to send it to your friends. Also, this referral code is what you are going to use at the beginning of your application. So you are going to use it to get your bonus. So I think that is the most important part of having a Cleva account. So you come over here and create, and also you can refer your friends to join Cleva, and with that you can make a lot of money. So I hope this video have been able to help you as freelancers who are looking for ways to withdraw their money from their freelancing platforms, because without that you can't withdraw to your local currency. We have other opportunities like Pioneer and others. So I'll be sharing opportunities like that as you are on my channel, and I hope this video have been able to help you. So if you are here to subscribe to this channel, kindly click on the subscription button and then click on the notification bell, because I'm going to be dropping important updates like this that is going to help you on your journey in making money online. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll be seeing you in the next side of the hustle. Goodbye.